Hey everyone, it's Elaine. First, let me apologize if you should happen to hear that noise. But that is the drywallers in my she shed slash art studio. Finally. I'm so sorry. I'm just tickled. But I just wanted to pop in here for a second. I had shown you a while back, I think it was in one of my goals videos, that I had participated in Inchies swap with the folks at ATC underscore fun. It's an IO group. It used to be a Yahoo group. I've been in it for a long time. And Jeannie is the host of the group, moderator, host. And she does a great job. They're a chatty bunch. I'm going to tell you. I can't always keep up working full time and doing other stuff. But I've made one of my goals that I'm going to participate at least once a quarter, and that's kind of the rules anyway, but Jeannie had let me slide for a little while. And anyhow, I wanted to show you what the Inchie swap was and what I got in return. This is the Inchie that I sent. Now, it is a cut up doily, and then on the doily, I used Stella pen, um, just the clear one, and then on the black part of the Inchie, I used Stella in black sparkle, and then I covered it in resin. And I have to tell you, this resin was perfect. So it's not like those yucky sand dollar coasters that I did. This resin shows off my skills. This one was nice. So anyway, so that was the Inchie that I turned in. And now you're always supposed to sign the back and everything. So that was that. Now this first Inchie, and it cracks me up, and I'm showing you these because it just goes to show how much stuff that you can get on an Inchie. Now this Inchie was from Holly. Now you take a look at that. She's got a cool background. She's got one of the little girls that I'm going to assume is one of the Tim Holtz little girls. She's got a word, and then she has a little bead. That's a whole lot going on an Inchie. I've always loved Holly's work. She has been the in the group for a long time as well. Now this is from Elizabeth. Now again, it looks like here that she has put background paper on it, and then stamped, and then drawn or bleached or something the paper. So that's pretty cool too, Elizabeth. Thank you very much. Now this one is from Susan. This is a crab, and he looks like it's been heat embossed. I guess the stamp probably was a reverse, is what I want to say, because the crab is down in and the embossing is up higher. And then his big claw has been glittered and looks like he's holding lemon slices or lime slices. So there's something there, maybe an inside joke that I'm not getting. Now this one is by Jocelyn, and pretty cool gear paper on the background. A cute little gear on the top, and then gear it up. Now, I know some of you are saying, well, now what do you do with those? For me, mostly, I put them in a binder and keep it on display. But you can do a lot of things with these. You know, there's those slides that you put the clear acetate. You could put something, you know, like this in between some of those layers. And this one is by Jean, and it looks like some cool paper, a little bit of lace, and then maybe she did some excuse me, some kind of like gel pen, or trying to think of what I want to call it. It's like a Viva pen, where it's like a gel. That's what that looks like. And then this one, now, this person didn't necessarily, I don't know if they played by the rules. I'm teasing. It looks like maybe some scrapbook paper or something of a kitten, and then they've adhered a butterfly, and the butterfly has all kinds of little pieces, shiny little threads coming off of it. So pretty cool, pretty cool. And this was by Carla. So I want to say thanks, and I just wanted to give you all a shout out and let you know how much I appreciated it. And it was fun, kind of getting back in the swing of doing the swaps. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give us all here a thumbs up that you like what we did, and I will holler at you later. Stay safe. Bye-bye.